Hello and welcome back. My name is Vickie-Marie and I'm going to be taking you through a very short flow to help open up the shoulders. This practice can take place any time of the day and anywhere. Very little space is needed, just a few moments of your time. So when you're ready, we're going to begin to come into a standing position, that invitation of having the feet hip width apart or closer together, softening the knees. And what we'll begin to do is take the arms down by the side and just taking some gentle shoulder rolls. We can go forward and back. And when you're ready, we'll begin to take both arms up overhead. We're going to take a gentle side stretch over towards the right as I face you. I'm aspiring to mirror, pressing into that left foot. And beginning to come back through, and we'll take this on the other side, gently pressing into that right big toe. And through center, softening the knees. We're going to cactus the arms, so just making a squiggly shape with the spine. And then we're going to take the arms up and then in front. So imagine you've got a beach ball or a box in front of you that you're trying to hold. And we're going to begin to take this left arm across the body. So right hand along the forearm. And you're initially going at a diagonal, pressing into that left foot. We can stay here. We're beginning to take a twist as we take the shoulder opening. We can stay forward with our gaze or taking it over that right side. And we'll gently begin to come back through your center, taking the arms up and then over to the right. And center, over towards the left. And center, arms again coming forward, thumbs up towards the sky. We'll take that arm across the body. So initially at a diagonal, softening the knees, and then beginning your twist. Coming back. Inhaling the arms up, we're going to soften in cactus, opening up the chest. We'll begin to go up and we'll take that side stretch over towards the left. So remember, the arms can be wider. We don't need to be so close. Through your center and then over. And center, softening the knees. We're coming into a gentle forward fold, letting the hands dangle or coming in contact with the feet. We'll take your halfway lift, hands to thighs, shins or peace fingers to the earth. Slowly folding down. Pressing into the feet, we'll take the arms back up overhead. And this time we'll begin to take the hands behind. I'm just going to change my profile for a moment. And what we'll begin to do is take the hands behind us, and some of us might stay right here, otherwise beginning to take that right hand along the back. Staying here, maybe grabbing onto the forearm, and then casually taking it away from the body. So that left hand's going away. So taking your choice, making sure the knees are soft, and we're rolling the shoulders down the rib cage. We'll try to begin to release, taking the arms up. We'll take our cactus, softening and cactusing. Arms up and then a gentle forward fold, softening the knees. Halfway lift. And folding down. Coming back up to standing, taking the arms up, and we'll cactus. Arms are going up, and then we'll begin to take the arms back behind. So again, maybe that hand comes across, maybe grab hold, opening up, softening the knees. Gently beginning to release, taking the arms up overhead. Cactusing. And then arms up and softly folding. Forward fold. Halfway lift. And forward fold. Coming up to standing. We're going to begin to take the hands down into the heart space. We're going to take one more pose or flow. So opening up the arms wide, we're going to take eagle arms. We're going to take that left arm on top. We're going to begin to give ourselves a hug. So for some, this might be enough. You might begin to take the hands in opposite directions. Maybe beginning to cup the elbows. Maybe taking a bind. Wherever you are, we're taking the elbows away from the body, hands away from the forehead. Gently beginning to relax, and we'll cactus. Arms are going up and then back out. We're going to take this on the other side. So right arm on top, giving ourselves a hug. Hands can go in opposite directions, maybe beginning to cup, maybe beginning to bind. Exhaling, beginning to release in cactus. And up. Softening and folding back down to our forward fold. Halfway lift. And folding down. We're going to round the spine all the way up. And eventually roll the shoulders down the rib cage. So thank you very much for taking this very short standing flow to help open up the shoulders and the chest. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, check out the link in the description, and I'll see you again soon.